Bonjour everyone! Learn how to paint the Eiffel Tower with us. First, mix blue and white to create a vivid background. You're also going to mix lilac and shades of orange to complete this part. Use a blush pink to paint the skies at sunset, then layer with that bright orange. Next, we're going to use a technique called layering to paint the city of Paris that will be behind our Eiffel Tower. Magnifique! Now here's a fun tip. Use chalk to sketch an outline of the Eiffel Tower. Chalk is easy to rub off of dried surfaces and will not mix with your paint. Make sure the canvas is dry before you try this, yeah? Use the same dark blue color to paint the silhouette of the Eiffel Tower. Use a pastel yellow to add details to your building and the Eiffel Tower. Finally, use tape to paint the spotlight at the top of the tower with the same pastel yellow, and you're done! Ta-da! Here's the finished look. Want to apply your Eiffel Tower painting skills to different artworks? Check out our caption to find out how you can paint this with us this November. See you!